Hi, welcome to cctvelectronicscard.com. You are watching this video because you have landed in our cctvelectronics.com webpage. So in this video, I'll just explain you where you should claim your products and why you should choose us. So behalf of our team, I'm just introducing myself. My name is Miran. I'm the founder of the cctvelectronicscard.com, and we have a wholesale showroom named as U-Vision Electronics India LLP, which is located in Chennai, Ainavaram. Our office address and contact details, that is my name Miran and my sales team number, my office numbers, my service team number and dedicated customer care number, everything is given in the description in the link. You can see it, and it is given in the website also, that is cctvelectronics.com. In the website below you can find our contact details. In case of any help or any issues or any problems, you can reach us at. And next thing, why you should choose us? Because we are serving this industry for more than 15 years. We are in the surveillance industry for more than 15 years, and we have served for more than 5,000 clients, and we have installed more than 10,000 sites in overall Tamil Nadu. So this is a short brief about us. And next thing, what is the difference between other big e-commerce site and our e-commerce site? So big e-commerce site, if you are buying any product, means in case you are buying a CCTV camera, means the supplier will be not only in Chennai, throughout Pan India, anyone can supply to you. In case you are buying a Wi-Fi camera, they will be supplying that material from Bombay. Means in case of any fault, what you should do means first you have to call the Amazon number. From the Amazon or Flipkart or any other e-commerce at which you are buying, they'll give the shipper's details, that is they'll give you the dealer's details. Then you have to call to the dealer, you have to speak to them, you have to explain what is the problem, then you have to send the product to them, then they will claim the warranty, they will send it to us. But these processes is not happening on these days. More than 80% of clients are suffering from this, so there's no need to suffer from our side. So we have a very dedicated support team and excellent team to serve you. So what is our promise? Means whatever product you are buying from us, in case of any fault, you can just hand over you can just ship it to our showroom address. Our showroom address given below in the description. You can ship to us. Once we receive the product, we'll just give you a call and we'll inform you that we have received your product, we have processed your product for the warranty. Once it is processed from the company side and it comes to us, then we'll give you a call back. The warranty has been claimed and we are going to send the material to you. How we'll be sending this? We'll be sending the material to you through the courier. So these are the warranty process. In this online transaction, in this e-commerce site, the trust is biggest factor. We want to build our trust with our customers. So we have given all our details. That is, we have given our showroom links, showroom address, Google Map, Facebook pages, YouTube channels, and what and all products. We have what and all support. We are giving lot of videos are there in our YouTube channel. So if you watch these channels, these videos, you will get a brief idea about our services. And what we are dealing is, we are having nearly 3 companies. One company is U-Vision Electronics India LLP. So this company is mainly manufacturing CCTV camera and surveillance products in Agra. We have a head office in Agra. We have a branch office in Chennai. So next thing is One Solution Home and Office Automation. The second company is, in this company we are doing projects, we are doing direct clients, we are doing installation. Lot of things are happening in this second company. The third company is One Solution Infotech. In One Solution Infotech, what we are doing means we are converting the people to online. That is, we are creating e-commerce websites, we are creating websites, we are giving them social media marketing, digital marketing, promotions. So this is our company brief intro. If you need any clarification, you can just call me at 908755285, and this is my number. At any point of view, at any point of struggle, you can call me. Thanks for watching the video.